So family, today we're going to take a walk down the rural areas of Tamale. It's quite interesting. I now understand why they have so many motorbikes, because there are so many little corners and twists and turns, and I'm actually really tired, but there's so much you can see in these rural areas. It's just beautiful. Real authentic African rural area. So let's go for a walk. Let's go. Proper rural area of Tamale. Good afternoon. So they pour their waste into the gutters here. Oh dear. So as you can see, there are gutters almost everywhere. Oh, there's a cockerel. Wow. Okay. As you can see, there's a lot of dump in these rural areas, but the people seem to be living joyfully. Look, just ahead of us you can see that there's a milling place, and I think they mill corn. Am I allowed inside? Good evening. Can I go in? Where's the owner? Can I go inside? Can I go inside, owner? Thank you. So what do they do in there? They're milling corn. They're milling corn. Wow, okay. So I can see there's a lady there. This is maize. Behind me, as you can see, it's a really hard job over there behind me. The women are very much hard work. Can you see? Hey, there's a woman riding a motor. I want to ride. Haja, can I ride? Can I sit behind you? Can I? Oh my God, no, just slow.
Meti fufu, mo Brazil team. Africa Queen Fufu, made from 100% fresh plantain, so you can taste the pure flavor of real good fufu.
Food is ready.
Let's dig in. Africa Queen Fufu, experience the true flavor.
Africa Queen Fufu no product nimu.
Available in all Afro-Caribbean grocery stores.
I'm signing out. Subscribe. Okay, That was fun, guys. Hajia, thank you. Wow, motorbike with Hajia. Thank you. That was so fun. Look, I just rode a motorbike. I know why we see so many motorbikes in different corners and everything. I wonder how they even maneuver around. But I'm really enjoying my time here in Tamale. I mean, the place is vibrant. It's very busy. It's very energetic. But I think I need to cool down. Tell me how you are finding these videos. Press a like. If you are new here today, welcome. Subscribe to the channel. And I will see you very soon. Kiss from the Dimple. Kiss from the Dimple. And via Dimples, I am signing out. I think I'm about to fall asleep on these streets.